see
Yeah.
it. So you can see your screen. So I've just pinged you in your GoToMeeting. Just go to the GoToMeeting once.
One.
Yeah. It will be at right top, right? Orange. You can just click on that. In the bottom you have chat window, right? You have got
Go to me. Okay.
Yeah. So can you see that link? Can you click on that link once?
Where is the link actually?
On the right hand side.
At that right side, right?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So just select the mesh. I mean, just go click on the download SDK ADD bundle. So
This is an official site.
Yeah, it's an official site of Android. Yeah, you can just keep it if you want. So just select which version of Android you're using.
It's on a 64-bit.
Yeah, select on that and download.
I mean, it's an OS, right? Which?
Yeah, it's an OS. It's an OS. Yes, it's an OS. Yeah. And download. Yeah. Okay, that's the first. And I hope you don't have Eclipse, right?
I don't have Eclipse.
Let me just give you that, the latest one. Yeah, can you open this link, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that download symbol or any media.
This one.
Green, yeah, you can click on that. Yeah, on the green, yeah. No issues.
Is it okay?
Even this is okay. It will actually open something else. Just close this up. Close that. Just click on this United States, the Princeton State, or green button. Yeah, click on that. You can just click on the green image. Yeah. Yeah, it will start your Eclipse download.
Okay.
Okay, so once this Eclipse is done, right, so then we can actually start up setting up things. Okay. So let it download.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
what is that? I mean, two types of software should be installed. One is Android and the other one is Eclipse, right?
Yeah, so it is not like you don't have to install anything. So the first thing what we are downloading is Eclipse here, right? So Eclipse is an editor actually, where you can actually write programs. Okay.
Okay.
And your ADT, which you are downloading, you can see the SDK which you are downloading.
Yeah, ADT. Yeah.
Yeah, this your ADT is Android development toolkit. Okay. So this SDK is something which supports our Eclipse to program or develop something on Android platform, right?
Okay.
Because just using Eclipse you can't develop any Android program. You have to have SDK. SDK is software development kit. You have to attach that software development kit with your Eclipse. We'll see how you can actually do that. Okay.
Okay.
So that is your ADT and that is your Eclipse, and you have to actually set up one thing which is called as the ADT. Direct ADT to your Eclipse. We'll see once it is done. So once this download is done, right? So we'll just go through that. You can download, not to worry. Okay. Anyways, right?
Okay.
Okay. Faruqi, I think this is your normal Java workspace, right? Can you change this workspace once to your Android program? Go to File, Switch Workspace. Other, yeah. You can just give your Android. You have your Android development some folder, right?
I can create another one.
Yeah, you can do it. No issues. You can just say, yeah. Yeah, you can do that. No issues.
Okay.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah. So I just want to accumulate Android separate and this separate. That's it. But using this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now can you go to help? Click on help. So meanwhile, Naresh, once your Eclipse is done, right? Eclipse, just let me know, okay? Okay, click on install.
When Eclipse is done, after.
Yes, sir. Please let me know once, yeah.
It's not yet done actually.
No issues, no issues. It will take some time, no worries. So, Faruqi, can you just go to install new software? Anyway, don't worry, I'm recording this video. I'll just show you, right? So that you can just keep it in your repository. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so here click on add Faruqi. Yeah, click on add.
Should I copy that now?
Have you clicked on add? Yeah, and give the name as some ADT underscore. Yeah, give the name as some ADT, yes, underscore some. Yeah. Click on OK now. Yeah, click on OK. Okay, now it will get all the.
I just yeah.
Yeah, select all. Click on button. Select all. Yeah, and just do
Next.
Yeah. Now again it will start some downloading and all. Just leave it as it is. So now you can actually copy this folder of Eclipse and you can actually go anywhere. This Eclipse will support your Android. Right? That's why I just gave, instead of downloading ADT, right, we are just setting up directly from your URL itself, right? So that if you have any updates, you can do. And Akshay, meanwhile what you can do is, have you done this, have you done in the same way?
Asking me?
Yeah?
You asking me?
No, Akshay, you have Akshay here, right?
No, I have not done it this way. I think I have the other one.
Okay, so you have downloaded the zip, you have downloaded a zip and you have done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no issues. If you want, you can also do this way because, anytime if you have yeah, because if you have any updates, right, it will actually update automatically. That's what I'm saying, okay? Now, Faruqi, just click on next. Yeah, just click on I accept the terms and all and click on finish.
Finish.
Yeah. Now, this is going to take some time. Don't worry about that. Or if your internet is fast, it will just make it fast.
Yeah, I just started.
Okay, you are done with restart. Okay, can you just go to click on this workbench
Workbench.
at the right top. At the right hand side top, you have workbench. Yeah. So yeah, can you just maximize this window once? I can see everything small. Yeah, perfect. Now can you just go to File, New? Okay, so before going to that, okay, just go to Window, the menu window. Yeah, go to Preferences. Perfect, you got an Android. Okay, click on that once. Yeah. Okay, so your Android SDK location is also done. Okay, perfect. So is this a Android location? D app is the one?
Yeah, this one, this is my actual location.
Okay, perfect then click on OK. Yeah, your Android SDK is done. Perfect. Now, okay, can you just click on OK and yeah. So your emulator is already there, right? You have
my emulator is already there.
Okay, can you just click on this new? Now click create new project now. You can just go ahead and create a new project.
Which one?
Yeah? Yeah, click.
Android?
Yeah, perfect. You have the latest Android now. Click on this Android application project. Click on next. Now here, see here guys. I'll just explain you while creating a project what is happening. See, whenever you click select our Android application project, right, you will get this first screen. Right? In this first screen, you have to give the application name. This application name will be your actual APK name. Now, what is APK? APK is nothing but your Android application package. If you would have seen in your Play Store, right? If you guys have gone to Play Store or any like Apple Store, right? So what happens? You can actually go to different apps and you can download it and you can actually set up that things in your phone. Am I right? So whatever you are downloading is nothing but a APK file, application package file, or Android application package file. And the name of that package, like let us say you have downloaded your Gmail app, right? So what will be the name of that app? On your phone, it will be a logo of Gmail, that letter box, that envelope letter symbol, and bottom there will be a Gmail written, right? That name is nothing but your application name here. Just give some name here, Faruqi.
What you call?
just give yeah, my first app.
I
Also.
mean, it reflects the application name, right? I mean, whatever the app is, I mean, the name should be represented here.
Yeah, if you you can actually change that name anytime you want, but here just give whatever the project you are going to start. Let us say you are going to start some simple gaming software. Let us say if you have Angry Birds, the application name can be Angry Birds.
Okay.
Right in that. Okay, that is your application name. Next one is your project name. Project name is nothing but the project which whenever you add to your Eclipse, right? The project name, it will be represent same. Just keep these two same. And now you have a package, right? Can you just select that package, Faruqi? And the package should be always like this. Your com is company dot. Your example, you can just replace with your own name. Just don't give example. Just replace this with something. Just say Faruqi. Yeah, com the Faruqi dot. You can just keep this package name. This is something which is directory, right? And then the next one is, the next one is very important, guys. So this is where you can actually select the minimum required SDK, which means from which version you want to support your app, right? By default, if you have Eclipse, set up your Eclipse, right? By default, it will be 2.2. If you can select that drop down Faruqi once, right? You can see all the versions being done. From 1.0, you have till Jelly Bean, right? Because as you have downloaded the latest version of SDK, right? That's why you have got all these things. Yeah. So now, this is what happens. Now just select 4.2.2 and you can see Target SDK. Next combo box. Target SDK is nothing but whether you want to sell the latest one or a old one. So as of now, let us sell the 4.2. So this is how we make sure that we are going to use the latest one for Target. Now you can see API level which we are going to use is 17, right? So which covers everything. Select on that. Now the next one is compile with. This compiling is something which will give you don't change anything here, Faruqi, just keep it as API 17. So whenever you just say build your classes, right, all your classes will be compiled to something. So this will use 17th API to compile all your classes. That is what is your compile with, okay? Then theme, leave about it because this theme is something which is styling. You can select anything, hollow, dark, it is all about look and feel of your this, right? Now, can you click on next? Okay, yeah, here you are actually giving, yes, you want to create a project in workspace. You click on next again. Okay, now here this is something which you are giving a logo. Now during creation of your project, right, by default it will give your Android logo. Don't worry, if you want to change, you can change here, or let us not change here because we can actually change this logo whenever we want. So this part of changing logo is in future we'll learn this. Okay, as of now just click on next. Yeah, so this is something where you are actually creating your blank activity. Yesterday when we created a project, right, it created one activity for us, right? That is your blank activity. Click on next. Now you can see the name of activity is main activity. This is the class name and your layout name is activity underscore main. Okay? And your navigation type, you can just keep it none because we will be creating our own navigation, right? Because we will be moving from that. Click on finish now. Right? So this is your project being created. Now wait a minute, it will create a window for you. I mean the project in the menu. Your file new project, yeah. Just click on clean. This will actually rebuild the complete project once. Click on.
I mean rebuilding in a sense. I mean, what does clean is?
Okay, rebuild is like you are actually if you have any classes and if you have anything which has to be compiled, right? Compiled because your Java will not work directly with your .java files, right? It has to be converted.
Yeah, it should be converted into binary format.
Perfect. So in order to do that, we do something called cleaning up, right? When you click on clean, it will automatically delete the old binary files and it will create a new one. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you just go to project? Let us run this Can you just go to the project, right click on that? Yeah, click on clean. Yeah. Go to the project name, right click on that. Yeah, just go to run as. Just say Android application. Yeah, and leave it as it is. So you don't have console here. Okay, in order to show, see, you can see here the right, the bottom layer, right? You have markers, properties, servers, and all.
Yeah.
Right, Faruqi? But you don't have console here, right? Okay, in order to show that, what is this?
What
Okay,
is
cancel.
yeah, you can just cancel it. What is that, Ramesh?
What is console, Srinath?
Console is something where you can actually see all your output. Right, output everything you can see it in a console. Click on close the program once. What is happening? Can you just
You need to set up file.
no, you can just click on run again. Right?
Okay.
Click on OK now. Now can you go to window now? Now you will see these two options, right? Now your options are enabled, which is Android SDK Manager and OV. Now click on Android Virtual Device Manager. Okay, so these are your ADDs, right? These are your Android Virtual, so emulator. So whatever we were talking about emulator, these are. Now you have kept so many, you have actually configured this for video and all. Can you just remove all? You can just keep one for all. Even for your other projects, right? You can just keep one. One AVD is enough for all.
Okay.
Select and click on delete here. I mean delete. We just set up a new AVD.
Okay, we need to set up something new.
Yeah, you can just you want this AVDs with you for you, right?
Yeah, can I create new for creating new one?
And what I'm saying is, do you want the existing AVDs?
No, I can remove it, no problem.
Yeah, just remove, select and delete. You have an option called delete, right? Just select and delete everything. You don't need. You can just select. Because if you set up these many, right, it will just create a overhead. Now click on new. Now give some name AVD, something AVD underscore something, or with your name maybe. Underscore Faruqi. Select the device. So device, let us select 5-inch, 5.1 inch. Can you see that 5.1? So it's a perfect mobile, right? Select that.
What is the WVGA?
It is a graphic. It's a graphics, like these are something which are mobile things. You can also see some tab 7-inch and 10.1 inch are tabs.
Yeah.
Right.
So out of this, if in the case of out of these devices,
No, they will work. So this is only for our look and feel actually. How it is going to work, right? Yes, your app can be used in laptop, in your tablet, anywhere, right? Don't worry about that.
and also I think laptop, right? Laptop also nowadays in the laptop also apps it.
No, you can't run your APK file in laptop, right? You can't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now here you have you have selected your target 17, perfect. Now keyboard, yes, I want skin, display, the hardware controls, perfect. Now memory options, give it as some maybe 700 or 750 RAM. Okay, and VM heat, let's keep it as 16, no worries on that.
What is VM heat?
VM heat is like virtual memory heat. Like whenever you run your AVD, right, it needs some memory to run, right?
Yeah.
It has to create some memory. So here you are going to give how much maximum you can use. Maybe you can just give some 30 or 40 here instead of 16, right? In your VM, right? Perfect. Now internal storage, you can just keep it as 200 MB and SD, right? This is something which is micro SD card. It will create its own, right? Just keep as 50 MB maybe or 100 MB. You can just keep. Yeah, perfect. Now click on OK.
How it goes? Snapshot.
You don't need, right? You don't have to take the screenshot of emulators and all, right?
Okay.
If you want, you can select.
Okay.
But only thing is, as many options you give, right, your emulator will become, overhead actually. So
Overhead.
just keep a lighter one. Click on OK. Okay, perfect. Now close this window. Right? Now rebuild the project and run it again. Yeah, you can. Now it will, yeah,
launching.
yeah. It will. So every project in your, in your Eclipse, you may be using Eclipse from anywhere, right? If you are actually pointing your Eclipse to that SDK which you have downloaded, this emulator will open from everywhere. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a complete setup for you. Now, Naresh, is it done with you?
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's done.